Hello guys, welcome back to this class. And in this class we are going to connect this leaf here, and we are going to this job, doing the job part here. Okay, so I'm going to start from this connecting the leaf here. So let's count this. So I have 1 2 3 4 edges here, and in the leaf area I have 1 2 3 4 edges, same number of edges. So now I'm going to combine them so that I can bridge them. So let's go and select those 4, and let's select this 4 and go to edit mesh and bridge. Okay, you might get some odd this kind of thing. You have to just adjust those manually like this, and you can say the nose is I think 2 inside there, 2 inside there. It should be like here, and now it's 2 inside, so I have to move the base of the nose here. So I think I forgot to do that, so it's 2 inside there, the whole nose. I think 2 inside. So let's select this area. You can see it, the base is here, so we had here. So let's move it to the position, and yeah, so now I have to select this till it's going to backward there. So I guess this height of the nose is too much there. So let's select them. Go to wireframe mode by pressing 4 on your keyboard and select this area, and let's again we can use this soft selection inside. Just we earlier used that inside the move tool option, and again without going there you can turn on off that option by pressing B on your keyboard, B. So, and again you can decrease or increase this fall off by holding your B key and left mouse drag. Okay, so you can do this interactively. You don't have to go there to turn on or off and or to adjust the fall off. So that's fine here. Now let's turn off this by pressing B again, and now I'm going to move this line. This should be like exactly at the center. Okay, so I'll snap those later. So this is my leaf and cheek connected here, and I just feel this is too coming too forward there. So this area of the face you can see, so these vertices are way forward there. Okay, that's fine. So please take time to refine these shapes. These are very important. And again we are doing a generic face. This is not our character face, so you shouldn't be so much concerned to match the face with this character face, because anyway we are going to change it. So let's create a generic face which looks like a human face. Okay, and so then I'm going to do the jaw part here. Again, before the jaw part, I'm going to you can see this round loops around the lip, and this loop should come again like this. So I can just extrude till here, and let's extrude this, and let's move this like this. Then I'm going to merge these two vertex by going to edit mesh and merge to center. Okay, like this. And again be careful with the shape. With this edge extrusion technique, modeling technique, you might get a very bad shape if you don't care the shape, and you are just extruding and extruding and extruding. You will get a very bad shape. So make sure you are also creating the shape by adjusting and looking at your model from different angle. Okay, and make sure the shape is right before moving towards the next step. Okay, so I got the shape here, I got the loops here. Now I'm going to, I believe I can extrude the whole thing, the whole loop till here, the whole loop we can extrude now. Okay, so let's extrude here, and let's extrude like this. So obviously we have a lot of bad shape here, so we'll do that later. So just you can see I'm getting that shape here, and you can see it's not averaged properly. So I'm just moving those from side view, looking at the front view. You can see from the front, if you don't look or check, you might get a like wide face there. So it should come inside like this, something like this, and this forehead part should go inside as well. And here I have a lot of edges. I don't want those edges, so I'm going to merge some of them. So let's say if I merge this, maybe these three, so let's merge, and these three let's merge, and you can see I have to bring that forward like this. And I have like two triangles here, so I'm going to delete this middle edge. So just delete on your keyboard, or just shift right click and delete edge, or you can go to edit mesh and delete edge from here. Okay, and then I'm going to move this vertex, and in this case I'm going to move it in component mode. So I'm going to change this to component, so that you can see the move align to the model shape there. So I can easily change the vertex position without changing the shape. Okay, so now you can see the loop turns around like this. If I move this, you can see it's kind of extruding and scaling kind of effect, and I don't have much vertex here to worry about. Okay, so now yeah, good shape here. Then I'm going to create the jaw, so I'm going to extrude once more, again the full loop here, and make sure you're not selecting this center here. So extrude again, and again use this green to extrude like this, and again go to side view, move this. So I'm trying to get the jaw here, okay, and this forehead here. So yeah, so I'm stopping this lesson here. In the next lesson we are going to do the skull part here. Okay, so I'll see you there.